Hello travelers, Happy New Year. I am Jun Aguirre, the creator of the Boracay Island News Network. I have been covering as a journalist Boracay for over 25 years. And I decided to come up with this vlog because there are many travelers wanting to go to Boracay and asking me what are the requirements for tourists coming this year 2025. Boracay has been named the leading luxury destination by the World Travel Market in Portugal last November 2024. And of course, because of that, there are several influx of tourists coming in already, especially coming from the European countries. So there are three fees that are needed to be paid by the tourist. One is the environmental fee, which is worth 150 for local tourists or less than $3, and unfortunately $6 per foreign tourist. So there are many complaints from the foreign tourists why they are being charged that much. And the local government said they are reviewing it, which I don't know when it will be fixed. But as of now, that is the fees for environmental fee. That is 150 for tourists or less than $3, and 300 pesos for foreign, which is less than $6. Okay? And another, aside from the environmental fee, there is also terminal fee, which costs 150 for another 150 for domestic tourists, and the same 150 for foreign tourists, which is less than $3. Plus the boat fees is equivalent to 50 pesos or less than $1. So the boat ferrying you from the port to the Boracay only takes you less than 5 minutes, 3 to 5 minutes. So for the context, terminal fee is being used by the Aklan provincial government for the healthcare facility in case there are Aklanons who became sick or have a medical emergency. It is being used to subsidize the needs of the Aklan residents. Okay. Then the environmental fee, for if we have some questions, is being used to collect uh, dumps from garbage from the residents, from the hotels. Okay, so this is the fees, and of course for the boat, which is less than. So these are the fees in ano in coming to Boracay this year. So expect I will do more vlogs, okay, in the days to come. If you have any questions, just send me an email at newsrepublic43 at gmail.com. Again, newsrepublic43 at gmail.com. So that's all for now. Mabuhay, and watch out for my next videos.